From day one on the Gresham Hotel project, the biggest highlight for me was the relationship we built up with the hotel, the management of the hotel, on a daily basis. We would walk around the outside of the hotel, explain exactly where we were working every day. Lots of obstacles we came up against which we had to resolve before the job started. Quick example was taxi ranks, pedestrians on Brewer Street, which we resolved by actually installing a tunnel. One of the fondest memories I have about the Gresham project was the feedback from the public. Absolutely outstanding comments from day to day. People congratulating us on the work that was being done and how well the street looked because of the clean we done on the Gresham.